Hello, welcome back. It's Thursday 26th of June. This bike ride is going to take me to Cotehele, which is where I wanted to go on the previous video, the previous ride yesterday, but I didn't manage it due to the rain and a little bit of a lack of enthusiasm too. But I am going there today. Just stopped by my favourite little bridge. Next week's weather's looking great. It's looking like we've got a nice bit of heat coming through again, and it's going to be dry, so that'll be nice. It's a lovely afternoon. It's it's 3:15 nearly. The wind has died down. It was really windy earlier, but it's all okay now. Let's crack on up the path and up towards the top end of the forest. Cycled up through the forest, up the little difficult path at the top. Managed it in 4th gear, which is good, which is what I used to do it in. This is Danescombe Valley. Oh, look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Here's my baby, and then we're heading up straight ahead. And then we'll get to my favourite bench, which you've probably seen before on my videos. Oh, this is lovely. Hope you're enjoying the video with me, if you're still with me. Let's crack on and go over towards where the bench is and sit down there for a while, and then we'll go down into Cotehele. Going across the top of the woods from Danescombe Valley towards Cotehele. I like this spot, it's really nice. You get a few walkers from time to time, but generally it's very quiet and very pretty. And my favourite bench. I don't need to show you the view from here, you've seen it quite a few times already. This bench reminds me of a bench that used to be in one of my customers' yards. It was a farmer, a couple of old people, lovely people, and there's a little plaque, little stone plaque beside the bench, and it said on this plaque, "Some people sit here and think, others just sit here." Oh, that was really good. Obviously talks about people just sitting down and just unwinding and not thinking about anything. Maybe meditating a bit, deep breathing, which is good for you, and just enjoying life, listening to what's around them and enjoying where they are, enjoying the moment, which is always good, which is what I'm doing now, sharing that with you. I'll turn this off in a minute, so I'll be on my own. It's so warm, it's really nice. I think it was 22 degrees when I left just now, when I left home. I've been to Lishe, the coffee shop in Calstock, the village where I live. Had a nice cookie and a cup of coffee. If ever you come to Calstock, go to Lishe and go and see Adi in Lishe. His wife Sharon, she bakes all the cakes. Superb, really nice. I've never had a cake that I've not enjoyed in there. Really good stuff, and the coffee is really good, so it's always worth a visit. Give it a go. Lishe in Calstock. Right, that's it for a minute until I get back on the bike. I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the peace and quiet. See you in a minute. Okay, we've just come up from the top of the woods through Danescombe and Cotehele Woods, which now this path leads us up to Cotehele, to the tea room, and we're just above the Cotehele Gardens and Cotehele House which is absolutely beautiful. You can't see much from up here, of course, but one day I'll go in there and do make a video of the gardens. It really is breathtaking. Let's carry on up here and we'll take you past the tea rooms at the top. There is another tea room down the bottom by the quay, which we're going to go down to, not into the tea room itself. We've already been into Lishe, as I mentioned earlier. But we'll go down to the Weir from the top here, and then we'll go down to the quay as well. Feels like summer's back, which is great. How many have we got to take now?
Just us two and one more.
This is the grounds of Cotehele, not the house grounds, because that's somewhere we have to pay to go in. But it's beautiful here. Another place just to sit. This is really nice. All this in just a couple of miles from where I live, really. It's not far at all. Probably a 20-minute, 25, or maybe 30-minute walk if you come here direct rather than going up through the woods. But on the bike it's good fun. I like the woods. Not in peak season though, because you end up with those dog walkers and ramblers and joggers. You end up braking most of the time, stopping, keeping out the way of people rather than annoying them. But what a lovely day. I keep saying it when it is, but I just appreciate it when it is. We'll move on from here and we'll go through what I call the White Gate, which it is. There's an opening beside the White Gate, which is then a nice path I can take off-road. Again, it's a footpath, so I have to be a bit careful. One goes straight down to the Weir, which I fork off to the right. That's quite a nice little trail. It's not that long, it's about 5 minutes. And then if I carry on rather than forking right, that takes me down to the quay, but along the path from where the Weir is. But I'll go to the Weir first. You've been there before if you've seen my other videos. I'll take you there today anyway. That's a nice little track. And then I want to see what's going on down there, because they're doing some construction work down there apparently. So I read the other day on social media on Facebook. We'll have a look what's happening down there, and then we'll go along the trail beside the river, which takes us to Cotehele Quay. If they're open, which I doubt it's 10 to 4 now, but if they were, I'd treat myself to an ice cream. Or maybe I should go there first. Yeah, we'll go there first, see if they are open, and then go to the Weir. Right, I'm being attacked by loads of flies all of a sudden, so I think I'll make a move. Let's go. We picked up the road from the top car park there where we were. Well, it wasn't a car park that we were in, but it was near the car park. And now we're going down to the White Gate, which has an entrance beside it. And we'll take the path straight on. The other path to take is the one just up here, which goes down to the Weir, but I want to go down to the quay to see if we can get an ice cream. I won't go too fast down here, just in case somebody's walking up. There is a stream running down here on the right from the Cotehele mill. Thank you. If you've seen my other videos, if you've had the patience to look at them all the way through, you'll find this is familiar, as I've done a few videos before of this section. We're heading into Cotehele Quay now. Got to the left first to check if the place is open. Well, it's busy here today. The sun brings them out. It might be open. I think it could be. What a result. Yes, it is.
Have a look inside and see what progress has been made on the
I enjoyed the ice cream. This is Cotehele Quay, which you have seen before if you've been on my channel. If not, this is Cotehele Quay. It's literally about a mile down from Calstock. Calstock is to the left, and then the river here carries on eventually to Plymouth. This is the River Tamar. In case you don't know, the Tamar is a river that goes or splits the two counties of Devon and Cornwall. We are on the Cornwall side, and that's Devon over the other side. And as you can see, the tide is coming in. I'm not sure if it's a spring tide, but it looks quite fast. And what we'll do in a minute, we'll go along the path where we came along from just now into the quay, which will take us back to the Weir. Right, let's go. We've done much this side. I don't think they need to actually. They have cleared some wood that was under the bridge there. There's a great chunk of wood leaning across. I think had fallen down. That's all been cleared. So this side's still the same. And this is another one of my favourite benches, which I am going to sit on and just relax for a while. It's 4:45, so I'll start heading back home again soon. I was right, it's not going to be 10. It could be, but I can't be bothered now. I'm flying downhill now. Well, not right now, but it's downhill for another quarter of a mile, then I'm home. I just thought I'd stop, tell you where I'm at with the ride, and say goodbye as it's the end of the ride. And I'm hoping there'll be another one either tomorrow, Friday, or sometime over the weekend. Oh, it's lovely, the weather at the moment. It's going to be a nice evening. That's it from me for this ride. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.